Okay. I welcome Dr. Manisha, who has also completed cosmetology, trichology and the fellowship. So she will tell you about her experience and her future plans. Please welcome.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Manisha Parmar. I am MD Homeopathy, practicing homeopathy since 5 years in Malad. So we never thought of cosmetology up till now. Okay, would that be helpful? Because we have always been taught in our colleges that homeopathy is helpful in all the cases. But when I entered into practice, I saw there are certain limitations which can't be overcome with medications or with purely homeopathy or with purely any other medication. We need to have knowledge about all the other aspect as well, and how the world is evolving. We need to have a proper hold upon all this. As a doctor, it is not only you are a homeopath or you are a Ayurved or you are a allopath. You need to have knowledge about everything, and that's the reason which made me enter into cosmet and tricho, which is a evolving field right now, which is a major concern for maximum of the people, especially in city areas wherein the skin becomes a major problem. The hair and their appearance, their personality, all that matters the most, and which made us enter into this. I got the reference of Dr. Anil through my senior, and here the only difference from other institute is you get practical experience more than theoretical. You get hands-on training on patient, on your live patients. It's not that you have to do the procedure on one another, but on the patient, wherein you see the difference of the the machines and the other procedures which I've been doing. The difference is being seen live. It is not just theoretical, or it is not just picture thing that happens over here, which has helped us a lot. That yes, it is very useful to have this knowledge, and that's the reason we have completed trichology also here. My plans for it would be slowly and gradually developing my own practice, integrated practice with cosmetology along with homeopathy. That will help patients more and grow ourselves as well. And thank you, Dr. Anil sir, who has helped us a lot to boost our confidence, especially in such cases, because people are very sensitive and people are very scared to go to any other doctor for their skin purpose, especially for their face or their hair related, because they want the best of it. And if we don't do that, we are not spared from anyone. So this confidence we have got from Dr. Anil sir, and thank you so much for all the help, all the guidance that you have given us till date.
Thank you, Dr. Manisha. You are always welcome. Thank you.